So, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to start preparing our seedlings for our vegetables. So I have patola. So I have the patola seeds here. Okay, so I need only 5 or 6 pieces of the seeds. And I have my okra. Okay, so I have first I need like 10 pieces of these okra seeds. So this is my seeds to put in my rockwool cubes. This rockwool cubes is very easy to use for a starter. So this is high porosity soilless seedling blocks for plant growth. It's easy to transplant, strong water absorption. So it's really easy to use. So all I have to do first is, so I bought like this. So all I need to do is just cut the cubes. Yeah, they are really soft. Just put here, and I need water. I need water to put here. Soak them for like 2 minutes. I think so. It's 2 minutes. It's more than enough. See, just soak it there for a while, and then if you need some more, just cut here one by one, and put in somewhere. Like me, I have that empty egg box here, so I will put here one by one all the cubes of my seedlings. Seedlings are rockwool cubes. Yeah, so guys, it's time to plant again. So I'm preparing for my seedling to grow up already. Before I transfer them into the good soil at the garden. So there is a hole in here. There is a little hole, so you can put your seeds in here. And I need some more. I think this one is easy. So by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment and thumbs up. Thank you so much. And after 1 week, or if they are growing up, my seedlings, I will update my seedlings. So I need more water. So anyway, this is my first time of using this kind of rockwool cubes. Before, we always use the starter soil, but this time I try this rockwool cubes. So this rockwool cubes is hydroponic starter plugs. So this is said is non-toxic gardening. So they are soaked. Put it here. Put it here. And I will cut if I need more. So this time I will start with this okra seeds. These okra seeds I will put in this hole. Okay. And this is my empty egg box. So just I place like that. So if I need something to use to get bigger the hole, I will put. All right. See. And see, look at that. Put the okra seeds. Okay. So I think I need for the okra. I think I need like 6 pieces of the okra. See. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 okra. I think I need more because I love to eat okra. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 6 here, and I need more. Okay, I have 7 now. 7 pieces of okra, I think so. It's might be 10 pieces is enough. Okay, so how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will put 3 more. It's easy, guys. You don't have to worry about going to have a dirt in your hand. So I'm sure after 1 week I can see the seedlings is growing already. I think after 1 week. And I can use this also to my flowers, to my seedling of my flower. I have a lot of seeds also for my flower, so I think I'm gonna use them. I should make the hole little bit bigger. All right, so this one is here. All right, see. So I think 10 pieces of okra is more than enough. Or do I need to have more? Like what I said, guys, I like to eat okra every day. All right. So how many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I need 2 more. I need 12 pieces of my rockwool cubes. And that's it for the okra. Make absorb. They really absorb the water pretty good also. Okay. So I have 12 pieces of okra. Okay. So it's here, guys. That's all my seedlings of okra seeds.
Did you plant some cantaloupes?
No,
You didn't put none in none of those packets out there?
I don't remember. So after 1 week, this is our seeds. So this is the, what is this, the other one? The beans and the corn, and also my flour here. That's my flour. So I think so we cannot wait up to 1 more week again. We need to start planting them already. So today is a Good Friday. So if somebody they are planting after the Easter Sunday, but we could not wait anymore. We need to plant this in the ground. So after the Easter Sunday, we plant these vegetables. We really wait after Easter Sunday to plant these vegetables. So this today is a month later after we plant these vegetables. So is they are like this, guys. This is our sweet potato and pumpkin in here. So this is here is the okra and zucchini, and over there in the fence is the beans. This is my sunflower. This is my tomato. This is my spinach here. And of course, I have my beautiful sunflower. Oh wow. So this is my first time also of having my sunflower, and they are so cute for me. A little bit taller only, but it's okay. So after 2 months, guys, we are here, and this is our first of harvesting the okra. So the spinach, I've been cooking them already, since that they have nice leaves already. So I've been cooking that almost every other day. I took the spinach for my cooking, and I mix that with a lot of some kind of vegetables, sometimes in the beans, and sometimes I just put with the squash also, and the long beans. So today is I saw this my okra here is already a lot of little bit longer, and might be is all already. So I think this is the best time to take them all also, even the long one. and the small one, because it's not good if it's getting ripe already, the okra. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is the first harvest only, but the okra is already been longer, I mean getting older, I think so, and it's near to be ripe already. So here is my okra, this one here. This is the zucchini again, and yeah, this is here the green zucchini. Laki-laki na, hindi na napansin. Isang araw pa lang kasi, ang bilis nang lumaki. So ito yung zucchini green. Marami na naman tayong ilalagay sa freezer. So hi guys, another day of harvesting my vegetables here. You know, it's almost every other day that we need to pick or harvest the zucchini or the okra because they are getting older. So it's not good if it's the seeds is getting bigger too. So this is the yellow zucchini.
This is our yellow zucchini. Our yellow zucchini. And this is all our vegetables here. But I don't know what happened to my flowers. Where is my flower here? My love. Where is my flower here? I don't know. Somebody took my flower, my love.
So anyway guys, this is our vegetables after it's already been 3 months now because we plant this after Easter Sunday. So that was last week of April. So April, May, June, July. So July is first week of July this time. So this is our harvest we have here, and we're still going on. And I'm so sad about my sunflower. I don't know who took my flower away. So it's okay. So the most important is I have my fresh vegetables. Thank you for watching.